In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spreadsheet Sync to QuickBooks Online Advanced. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to link them seamlessly. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open QuickBooks Online and navigate to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon up there. Go ahead and click on it. This icon will lead you to the Settings menu where you can make various adjustments and settings to your QuickBooks Online environment. Among the options available, you'll see an option labeled Spreadsheet Sync. Click on this to proceed. Once you've selected Spreadsheet Sync, QuickBooks will guide you through a series of steps designed to ensure a successful connection between your spreadsheet software and QuickBooks Online Advanced. It's like a built-in checklist to streamline the entire process. Let's go through these steps together. To start, you'll need to ensure that your browser is set up to allow it to open links. This is essential because certain functionalities require permission to open external applications or additional web pages. Depending on your browser, this usually involves adjusting the settings under the Privacy or Security tabs. It's a quick adjustment, but crucial nonetheless. Moving on to Excel, there will be an option where you'll need to select Trust this add-in. This step is key because it allows Excel to incorporate the Spreadsheet Sync add-in securely. By granting this trust, you're enabling Excel to run additional tools that help facilitate smooth integration with QuickBooks, enhancing the overall efficiency of managing your data. With those preliminary steps complete, the next thing you need to do is sign in with your Intuit account. This is the same account you use for QuickBooks Online. If you haven't signed in already, a prompt will appear guiding you through the process. Enter your credentials, and you should be good to go. Signing in links your Excel functionalities directly with your QuickBooks data, providing a seamless flow of information between your spreadsheet and your accounting data. And just like that, you've connected Spreadsheet Sync to QuickBooks Online Advanced. These simple steps ensure that your data flows smoothly, reduces manual entry, and improves accuracy, essential for maintaining clear and concise financial records. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Connecting Spreadsheet Sync to QuickBooks opens up a streamlined workflow that greatly aids in managing your financial data. It's designed to be simple yet effective, saving you time and minimizing errors. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or refer to additional resources available within QuickBooks support. Have a great day managing your finances with new efficiency.